Hey everybody, and welcome back to more of the Guild 3. People have been asking me non-stop. That guy just walked in through the window of that house. Everyone's gonna go rewind that on YouTube. It's been maybe 6 months since the game came out. We all remember that beautiful stream of it on day one, when I think I had like 140 viewers, and we all came out of the stream with crippling depression. The game has had many patches since then, and none of them good. It has had some bug fixing, not enough, and they've added a bunch of maps, but no new gameplay features so far as I know. If you're new to the Guild 3, it is not as good as the Guild 2. This is still early access. Far too early to be accessed, in fact, because some people it just does not boot for. Last night, when I was going to test this, I clicked single player and clicked load game, and it just closed with no error message. It's kind of less of a game and more of an experience, but so many of you have been asking me to play this over and over and over since it came out, and I just kept responding by saying that it's not worth looking at. It is the same as it was on that day. But people keep asking, and I, if anything, am a crowd pleaser, I would hope. So I am going to show you the state of the game right now. Now, I want everybody at home to start your timers and take your bets. Will we crash before 15 minutes in, or will we crash after 15 minutes in? We will crash. It's just about when it happens. Thanks for following I Draw Lines. Welcome to the vlog, and thank you for the 200 bits, Avener Dutch. They say, will it go well? Let's just try. I mean, it won't go well. It's about when it doesn't go well. I have edited the .ini file slightly to turn off the game's bloom effect, because the bloom effect is horrifically ugly and barely functional. Hopefully that won't crash the whole game, but we'll just see. And just an aside, if you want to go buy this game, you better have a beast of a computer, because I've just got a strong computer. I stream and record and play Kingdom Come Deliverance on max settings at the same time, and don't get frame drops. This game has basically built-in frame drops, so just good luck. Thanks for 5 bits, Witch Doctor. You're going to be, I hope I fucked up your interface like I did last time. Yeah, I still haven't fixed that yet. We're just gonna hit single player, and I'm just curious. Okay, the game closed. Load game is not a feature that works currently. It worked when I tested it last month. It does not work today. We are booting the game back up, so anyone who picked under 15 minutes, you are a winner. We got a crash counter going in the chat. It's a strong start, everybody. That is what the load game button does. It just tells you to get out early. Now, I have not tested the just start a new file button. So, we might have to switch game if that one doesn't work either. Now, if anyone was starting a timer on the over and under on when I start drinking, well, there you go. I'm not editing this out on YouTube because this is an integral part of the Guild 3 experience. What the fuck? Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright. Texture quality low. Oh, hey, they changed how this menu works. It works now. I wish there was a continue without restarting. I could just restart with the load game button. Alright, we're restarting it manually. So... What are you drinking? This is Hornitos Tequila. So, I guess we'll see what the high textures look like. Now, if you're wondering why I didn't have that on by default, or before at least, it's because if you guys remember the day one stream, which I uploaded on YouTube, is the game just not booting? Okay, the restart button actually just closes the game. Let me just manually boot it. Okay. It's a special game, guys. The options menu used to have a different UI and it didn't work. You could only use certain things on the menu and not other things. And the texture button was one of the buttons that didn't work on the UI originally. So, yeah, this is going well, yeah. So the restart button just closes the game, as does the load game button. This is worrying. Are you ready to see those great new textures, everybody? I remember these pictures. These pictures are ones they uploaded on their Facebook page like 3 years ago to hype up the game. I was excited back then. Should I stop trying to time this? I mean, we already got our crashes. We're on, I guess we're in crash 1. I'm not gonna count the restart button crash as a crash. I'm just gonna call that a glitch. I'm curious. Does it work? It does! All right. That is a stretched image. So you can see the game launched with 3 maps. Now they have 7 maps, but they haven't fixed anything. Actually, I think they fixed a couple of crashes, but they introduced new ones because load game doesn't work now, which is pretty bad. This is a game you don't want load game to crash in. This game is meant to be played in very, very long, like, overtime things, like you load the file and you load the file and you load the file. How much is the game right now? I don't know how much it is, but the answer is too much. Let's just, I don't know, Paris. We'll do Paris. We'll start in career mode. I think that means we start with a little bit more money and a little bit more experience, so we don't start as a borderline homeless person in a mud shack. We are going to play as Man of House Bar, as is tradition. That the screen looked like a model update for a pre-release concept art. It was concept art. I said it, in fact. I remember that on their Facebook page from years ago. That's concept art that they just repurposed for a loading screen. Okay, so this menu is actually different from how it was before. They actually got rid of a lot of the placeholder images by the looks of it and replaced it with actual ones. If I just click one. Okay, if I click one, I can hover over these things. Woodworking, what is this? Carpenter, walking stick, wooden frame, comb, fighting, sleight of hand. Wait, what? Woodworking. Okay, it's named after the skill, not the profession. I was gonna say fighting isn't like a job title. Hello. I am fighting of the United States. Apothecary. Wow, it's really hard to go through these menus actually, because the bubble goes in front of everything else. Scribe, a baker. I think I'll get into metalworking. That sounds like it's probably pretty interesting. Are the voices still Microsoft Sam?
I passed by your house and thought I smelled latrine, but it turns out it was your dinner.
Okay.
I hear they're renovating the church. Maybe you should go over and talk to the stonemasons. I'm sure they're still looking for models for the gargoyles. I passed by your house and thought I smelled latrine, but it saw your mother coming out of the I'm sure they're still looking for models for the gargoyles.
Could someone tell me the current price of the game, please? You remember 140 viewers? Day one? 140 viewers. And everybody was just saying, what the fuck? We were pumped for this game for like 5 years. We're 6 months into early access right now. And so far as I can tell, is they've fixed some glitches. $30. They fixed some glitches. They've broken other things. And they've replaced some of the placeholder text in the game. Just one more time.
Wow, is that your face? God really hate you.
Curious.
Are those your clothes? Or did you stumble over the garbage bin?
Still man voice, okay. Well, there we go. I think we'll just get into the gameplay. Let's not dwell on this too long. I know you're heartbroken that I don't want to dwell on this like that. That, and... Oh, it doesn't change my beard color. I see, we're rocking with that then. A swarm of Microsoft Sams. That's a good clip you've created. Why is it every time I stream, I come out of stream with about 10 clips that are just the stream name of completely random things, like the drill on the pre-stream for 30 seconds? It's like someone's fucking up the clip button or something. I always have to go through and clean out all the clips that aren't clips. It's weird. It's pre-allocated a bunch of stat points, and I don't know if that's where I want them. Okay, the reset button. Oh my god. Really? Really? Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. Look how many points I have. This is the game that everyone keeps telling me all the time in comments to play again. Man, and we got... I know we're cutting our build a little bit. We're cutting our build a little bit close, but we only have 43 points left available. I wonder if that'll carry over into the main game. I was gonna say the reset button doesn't work. No, the reset button works too well. They couldn't get restart right or reset right. How is this fucking possible? I know, right? I haven't gotten into the gameplay, and the game is fucked in like 7 different ways. Oh my god, it's worse than it was before. Check my message. Oh, sorry, I must have scrolled off screen, unless you like DM'd me or something. Do you like how it says early access down here, but you probably can't read it because it's on a white background? Oh my god. No, I don't. Okay, we gotta go back. We gotta go back in. Oh no, it still says 43 points available. Do I need to restart the whole game? Shit! Alright, guys. Does that count as Crash 3? I'm not sure. Let me reboot the game real quick. €30. Everybody go tweet at the stream. Put it on your Facebooks. Get your friends in. Go message your friends. Link them the stream. Let's get that view count above 75. Go for that partnership. We're at 62 so far, and it's been climbing pretty rapidly. Everybody go tweet it out. I think there's a button in the description you can tweet it. I don't remember. I think it's if you click on the like share this stream thing. If you scroll down below. Did I remember to put that in? I don't remember. Who uses Facebook? Not me, but if any of you do. I just came in and we're Crash 3. But we weren't allowed to proceed because their reset skill button is broken and didn't let us keep going. So we're gonna do it again, but we're gonna be more tactical with it. Man bar, clan bar. What? This isn't the menu that it just was. What the fuck? The menu changed. It has the new maps. It remembered my settings. Is it because I'm on Poor Fellow? Okay. Oh, I almost had a heart attack there. I was like, what, did we go back a patch number? Okay. Okay, that one might not have been a glitch. That one might have been me. Okay. All right, we're continuing. Okay, holy shit. I thought I had gone insane. Man bar of clan bar, I like that more. Holy shit, I thought I just went insane. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna have to be a little bit tactical with this. For a second I thought that button just didn't work. I mean, it almost didn't. Okay, here's what we're doing. First we do this. Okay, how many more points do we need for that then? We would need 4 more points. Okay. Oh wait, no, we need 4 to spare. That's how you do it. Okay. So I bank them like that. Yes! It's like its own little puzzle game. Oh, don't tell me you crashed. Okay. I think we're good. Are we gonna point out that it now says man bar of clan bar, meaning it combined your former name and then copied it over without deleting the word clan? No, on the original stream we were man bar clan bar. And I think it remembered that old name just somehow. I'm not sure how. Is the game out of alpha yet? I think they're calling it a beta. I was fairly sure this was a fucking tech demo. What are we looking at? Oh god, it turned the depth of field back on itself. I had to go into the .ini to turn off their horrible depth of field, and it turned itself back on. Try the number key, maybe you can change the levels there. I have seen that in bad games before. Me and Jed are leveling on a WoW and just dying to elite mobs. Less infuriating realizing that you're getting screwed over is less infuriating realizing you're getting screwed over by Guild 3. Yeah, this feels like a tech demo. Okay. Okay, we're down to slow pace, but it's still pretty fast. Okay. I mean, the game looks nice other than the horrible depth of field. I'm a little bit lost right now, though. M for map? That is a horrible map. That's a horrible map. Where the fuck are we on this map? We're here. Why did it center me up here? What's the hotkey for pause? Why would you change that from the previous game? Alright, to be fair, pausing didn't work properly in the previous game. Pause was just hyper slow speed. It was weird. Right, the 1 key tells you to go home. Yeah, I already understand the tutorial thing, so we can make some produce out of our house. But I'd rather just have a shop that I use. So if we pause, why is the main menu button there? What an odd place to put that. Buildings. So we only own our home. Okay. So they actually have a transports button now. I hope it works. When the game launched, it had a transport menu that didn't work, and it had one button in the transport menu that would actually crash your game. And there were entire Steam discussions about trying to get it to work. And someone found out that if you hit a certain series of buttons while in the menu, it would open a developer version of the menu that would actually somewhat work. That was a thing I considered making a video on, teaching people how to do. Okay. So, now that we've established that, the C button brought me into here, and I thought it was going to bring me into my character sheet. As it would in a normal video game. Right, my character sheet's always right here. It's just ugly and shit. I don't know what this last menu is for. Oh, I can't do the hover right-click thing from the previous game? Okay. Okay. Let's make a building. Unlock this. Oh, they changed how this menu looks. Okay, this menu used to be fucking atrocious. I'm happy that they've improved this menu. Okay. Let's just close all of that. Open handicraft and a warehouse. No, we are a smithy, so we want to get one of these. We don't have enough money, so we'll make a little bit of money and get the foundry built. Okay. We'll work out of our house. It looks like we have a little bit of a forge going in our house. So we should just make some daggers. It's probably worth the most. Can I not check the value? Oh, I can. It's just, it's finicky. Make a diss track on this game. I think I'd rather hang myself than make a diss track. Why Wow, that is not worth much money. I guess it says at the top that is legal. I guess you can make illegal goods. Well, it's seeming like the dagger is the best thing here, because I just make one torch when I make it, right? Yeah. Artisan, artisan, artisan. Okay. Daggers it is. Oops.
Yes,
that.
sir.
God, that's such a dumb way to do it. Alright, we'll just make some. I think by default, the 2 button on the keyboard makes you walk to market. Why the buttons are keyed up like that by default, I have no idea. It seems really counterintuitive. There's currently a surplus of beverages. Okay. Load the goods you've... I'm aware. I appreciate that they have some kind of tutorial in the game. Part of me hopes that they never get a proper tutorial, though, because then I can get big off a tutorial series like I did on the previous game. Right, I didn't select a skill yet, so this is a new thing. Oh, they changed this menu again. Okay, it's cleaner than it was before. You pick one of your things you want to get into, and that's where your skill points will directly go into. So I start off with 100 skill in smithing, I guess? Yes? I already have 100 skill in it, so it says nothing selected. This just lets me make basic yeoman metalworking. Why can I not go into this? I need to be a citizen? Okay. I will bank any skill points I get right now for later then. Okay. Did we finish the... The I button has just stopped working. There we go. I guess we'll just let him keep working on that. Can you explain in any way how this game has 3 stars and a 6 out of 10 on Steam? Isn't this game rated mostly negative? I'm pretty sure this game is currently rated mostly negative. You should make your own game. God, no. I am no developer. This is a nightmare? It's a little bit like a nightmare, yeah. Except for, I feel like nightmares are more of a learning experience than this. Or just terrifying. Okay, 2 button to go to market. Did that work? No, it did not.
Nothing but work.
There we go. Wish I could lock the camera on myself. Not sure the button for that. Can I just double click up here? Yes, but it also changes the axis of my camera, and I don't like that. Okay, we are at market. Now, did they change how the selling works? It works better than it did before. This menu barely worked before, so they've made this better. Was it pine we needed at our business? I like that our business is so close to... Okay, sorry, didn't. It just didn't. That's all you need to know. I think you understand. Is it pine we're using? We're using pine. Okay. I'd like, oh, it's not the dragging thing anymore? Oh, I can just type a number. Honestly, I kind of prefer that. Wait, what the, do I just, but, oh, no, I can't type a number though, because if you hit numbers, it tells your guy to run around. Even on the numpad, are you kidding me? Oh, this is weird. What just happened? Just get from 4 to 10. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Iron is really cheap here right now. Why'd it go down to 0? Why is it 0? What's going on? I just want 10. Okay, oh, what? Apparently I can only carry, what? Why do I have 4 slots if 2 are locked? Okay, whatever, just go back to the business, drop it off. Why does it have mixed reviews? I thought that was just the recent ones. I checked yesterday and it was mostly negative. What the fuck happened? Yeah, believe me, Guild 2 is a very fun game. Guild 2 Renaissance. This is the Guild 3 and it's just not ready. It's been 6 months since I first played this and the only thing better is the UI. The user interface is significantly better. I need to turn off this depth of field. It's so bad. Okay, save game. So, I think it's safe to say we're switching game, everybody. We did 30 minutes? No, yeah, I think we did 30 minutes. Selig is where it's at. That game is still barely... It's not far enough in. I like it. It's cool. Needs more work. How much for this game? 30 euro. Anyone want to pay 30 euro for that? Of the 4 or 5 times I have tested this game to see how developed it was over like the months, I've never had save and load not work. Both save and load crash. Quality. That's a high quality game right there. It's a high quality game. Let me let's switch game. Let me just put that on. Everybody watching the Guild 3 episode on YouTube, you're getting a bonus video today. Hope you like it.